Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing these rear speakers, kickers, 4x6, 120 watts, peak power, and also these baffles, BoomMat baffles. So we'll see how it goes. This is a 2004.5 GMC Sierra 3/4 ton LLY diesel. Sorry about it being dirty. I live on dirt roads. So anyway, let us begin. All right, so the first thing I want to do is get at these screws. There's two of them, one here and one here. I'm going to be using this ratcheting driver. I'm using 9/32, but I think it's also a 7mm, which of course I can't find. I'm sure that's never happened to any of you guys. But anyway, just unscrew them. And take them out. Okay. Set those aside. This right here, it just pops out. There's tabs here, two at the top. And once you get it popped out, which I used, tool go. I used a little tool, of course I can't find it right now, to pop it out. You just stick it in here and pop it out. And then to get it off this lever, this handle, you just move it forward like that. And this is really hard to do with one hand, but lift it up. There, simple. Put that aside. Here's the speaker, the new one. All right, next thing you want to do is pop the entire door out. There's tabs located at the top, there's along the side, and at the bottom. So I'm gonna have to set the phone down real quick, but to get it started, I got it started here near the top. And you start popping them out. Okay, here's what it looks like without the covering for the door. And here it is with the tabs. See what I mean? You just pop right out. Pretty simple. Here is the speaker. You're going to want to push in on this tab right here. Right there. And it comes out. Next thing you want to do is disconnect it. There's a little tab right here that you push down on, and it should release it. Yeah. So I looked it up online. Light blue is positive and the dark blue is negative. And if you look at the speaker, there is positive and negative. So obviously it's not going to connect using this wiring harness, so we're going to have to cut the wires and attach them to the speaker. Okay, so the next thing I did, I just placed the new speaker in there, make sure it fits, and I also cut that little connector off the wires, set them over here out of the way. So next thing I'm going to do is use a marker, and I'm going to mark the holes that I'm going to drill out on all four corners, and then I'll take the speaker out and do some drilling. Okay, so I have all four marked, and now I'm just going to take my 3/8 drill bit, drill them out. So the next thing I did is put in that BoomMat and put the holes in where the screws are going to go. Try to line them up just like that. Now, if you don't have yourself a little BoomMat like this, then you'll just stick your speaker in there and put screws in after you hook it up, of course, which I'm going to do next. I'm just using some wire strippers here, and voila. Next thing I'm going to do is warm this baby up. I'm going to solder the connections. Okay guys, I got it soldered, connection soldered. It's not the best in the world, but it'll work. So dark blue positive, light blue negative. That is for the right side rear. And got the mat in there. So I'm just going to tuck it in and then screw it in. And it should be good to go, guys. So there it is, fully installed with all the screws. I had added 4 more screws just in case you want it to go anywhere. So before I put the panel back on, I'm going to do the other side, the left side, and then make sure they work before I put everything back together. Okay guys, so here's the final product. Speaker's been installed and everything sounds good. I think it turned out pretty great. Thanks for watching my channel, guys, and hope you like this video, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and hopefully I'll be putting some more videos on pretty soon. And see you next time.